Hi everyone, how are you? Today is Friday and we are going to continue with our Jolly Phonics workbook. But for now, we are going to have a look over here to these sounds, and as you can see, we have now a new sound and it has different color because we are going to start now our third Jolly Phonics workbook. And then that's the first sound for this third workbook, the sound G. But now what we are going to do is I'm going to point for some of the sounds and then you have to tell me the sound of this letter. Okay, let's do it. T. K. A. E. Good job. Well, guys, what we are going to do now is we are going to trace some of these letters, just 3 of them, and then you don't need your workbook, your first and your second workbook. You just need a piece of blank paper or your notebook. If you have an English notebook, it's just what you need, okay? We don't need to pick up the activities that we already did before. Well, I have here my notebook, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace 3 of those letters. We are going to trace the capital one and the lowercase as well, okay? The capital one and the lowercase for the letter S, sound S. And then you can write it on your page. Good. Now you're going to check how to trace it properly. You can see here, I'm going to get this color, and that's the capital one. Big. Remember here, that's the capital, and this one the lowercase. And the lowercase here, the middle. Good job. The second, we did the sound, and now the second letter that you are going to trace is the A sound. The big one, capital. Good job. And the lowercase starting from here, down, close it, and go down as well. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Here, go down, up, and here. Good, we did the A sound, and now we are going to trace the last letter. And the last letter is the letter P. Okay, here we go. Going down, up, middle. That's the capital one. And now the lowercase. Here and here. In the middle of the lines. That okay? That's the letter P, lowercase, and capital one. Good job, guys. Now, you have with you your English notebook, and you have, or your blank paper. And I'm going to tell you 3 words from your spelling log, okay? Not 3, 4. I'm going to tell you 4 words from your spelling log, and then you're going to pick up your colored pencil and write 1, 2, 3, 4 in order. Remember, we did the same in our class. Here I have the lines. Good. And now you're going to write. We are going to write it. The first one is hip. 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 The second one is map. Map. M-A. Map. The third is pet. P-E-T. Pet. And the last one, hum. 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 Good. What I am going to do here is to write these words down, and you are going to pick up your colored pencil and write it here if it's not right, if it's not writing right, okay? Written right. The first one was hip. Hip. The second, map. Map. The third, pet. And the last one, hen. Okay? Good. Now you can check if you wrote these words correctly. Okay? Well guys, now what we are going to do is start with our new letter, new sound. And for that, let's start over here with these here.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter G. This is a capital G. This is a lowercase g. You know how the G looks now. Let's make the letter G sound. G, 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 yeah!
Okay, then you can keep watching this video, okay, by yourself in your home. The letter G has the sound G, 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 G. If you put your hands here in your throat, you're going to feel a vibration here in your throat. G, 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 G. Could you feel it? G. Good.